One of the things that I hope to teach other than English is how to build communities amongst my students. I really love the relationships between my students and watching them get to know each other, and that process of being able for me to get to know my students. I feel like we're all part of a big world, and it's important for us to build those really powerful, strong relationships.
Oh, I learned so much from my students. I learned how to be a better teacher. I learned how to be a student myself, and I learned about so many different cultures and how to love and accept each other.
What I like most is just getting to know all the different cultures and meeting new people. That's my favorite thing.
I love the classrooms, well equipped and bright. I have my teachers, well educated and nice. I have the curriculum, which is the best in Utah.
As we all get to know each other, we realize that we are all very similar and we can have wonderful friendships together here.
If you can speak another language, you can make more friends. Also, it can bring more opportunities, so you can get better job too.
I build connections with my students by taking the time to talk to them and get to know them. I like to know where they're from and what they do in their country. I love getting to know different cultures, and then I love that we get to become friends and family with each other.